Hello and welcome to this tutorial session here at the Solutions Manual. In today's video we'll work through question 1.1 of the 2018 Matric exam, written between May and June of the same year. We will try to go in as much details as possible with the explanations, while at the same time keeping the video short. The best way to use this video is to, first attempt the question on your own, then watch the video to compare your work. So, let's get started. Question 1.1 reads: the net or resultant force acting on an object is equal to the of the object in the direction of the net force. A. Change in momentum. B. Change in kinetic energy. C. Rate of change of momentum. D. Rate of change of kinetic energy. Let's take some time to define the problem before starting with the actual solution. It's always good practice to do this before attempting to solve any problem. Albert Einstein said, "If I had an hour to solve a problem, I would spend 55 minutes thinking about the problem, and 5 minutes on the actual solution." When doing a problem definition, the goal is to identify the key factors which must be determined, so that a solution can be constructed. You need to distinguish between the question asked and the problem to be solved. Look for cues in the problem statement to construct a problem definition that cues a solution plan. In this question, we're given 4 definitions of the net force and are asked to choose the correct one. In other words, all we need to do is to define the net force. Quick side note, a physical quantity can be defined in more than one way. And if you happen to forget the definition of a physical concept during an exam, don't panic. You can derive it by writing out the formula. Just make sure to include the appropriate keywords. Now that we know what we have to do, we can start solving this question. Newton's second law defines the net force acting on an object as the product of its mass and acceleration. This definition does not correspond to any of the options given to us. Therefore, we need to find an alternate definition of the net force. If we take this formula and isolate the net force by dividing both sides of the equation by delta t, we get an alternate definition of the net force. If we put this in words, it reads: the net force acting on an object is equal to the rate of change of momentum. This corresponds to option C. This is it for this video. If you liked this video, and thought it was useful, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you will be notified when new contents are uploaded. If you have any suggestions regarding this video, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you.